Oh. Have random things happen while you're teaching? Watch next. Garrett, please help her. Check the monitor. Check the monitor. Garrett, check the monitor. They go. Yeah, she's awake. Go check her.
I need to talk about that. Oh, sorry.
It's just water. Hot water. It's good. He goes. Garrett. He goes. She goes. Garrett. She goes. Garrett.
Girls, come on.
They walk to school. Hey, go to daddy. Do you hear that? Do you hear the rain? Oh. Oh, it came back up. Garrett, you gotta shut the door.
Update the system.
Oh. Woo! Oops. She is a teacher. Go ask Daddy. Go say hi to Daddy. Go. Guys, go ask Daddy. Shut the door. Did you want to say hi? We're at the end of class.
Hi.
Hi, this is Naomi.
Hi.
Esther. Hi. This is my daughter. They really wanted to meet you. I need this. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. They go for a walk. Go to Daddy. Thank you. I love you. Daddy's here. Please go talk to him. We work hard, don't we, to teach and to take care of those that we love. I love my husband and my kids very much, but setting good boundaries with your family, thankfully they don't do many of these things very often anymore. And talking through your teeth and having them on mute is really helpful sometimes. Almost anything can happen when you're teaching online. Does this remind you of any of your teaching times? Please subscribe.